my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a rope cutter game in Unity with simple scripts and using simple method. Now first I will show you how it works. Now you see that a ball is moving around a joint. When I click on the rope, it will cut down and lay down. So in this way I can create a game. Now we should start our game by developing a new scene. Go to scene and create a new scene. You can give it any name. Now I am using a simple background for game. You can use any background. I am using this for only test purposes. Now first we have need to add some component in it so it can look good. Now I am create a simple sprite, 2D sprite, uh, and give it a simple look. For that I am use this no. Now its size is very small. I can increase the size to make it or इसको make it big. Now increase the size of it as you see and go there, and we should give it layer, counter layer, add component rigidbody 2D, so and make it kinematic. So in this way we can create a now the second step is we should use a rope or to join our body to this hook. So now go there and decrease the size according to your wish and give it a color. I'm going to give it a color of this type. Now give it name link, call it is used to link with rope. Now make a child of it with the rope. Now this is done. Now we should use to add component on link. First is rigidbody 2D and increase the mass of the rope to 5 and drag is 1, 0.1 and 0.5 angular drag. So and the second component that we used is join Hinge join 2D, that is used to connect our body to the rope. Now auto config, you should uncheck this and make the anchor point x0 and give the y point -4, so it look better as you see. Now this is done from our side. Now add a script on rope, name it rope join, click on create and open it in mono develop. It will take some time. Now double click on it, and in this we should use some components that are used to make our game get the reference of our game. Now we should remove all this and start from public, get component of rigidbody 2D and name it hook, because we are used to this public game object link prefab and the third we should get public int link. So these links are the that we have in our script. Now go to the start method, void start, and create a function of rope. We should create a function void create rope function. So in this function we can use our references to create our join. Now first we should create a component of rigid body 2D and name it RB. You can give any name as you need, and get the reference of our hook in it. So and in next we are using for loop to create our links with our hooks. So int 0 I less than link that we have created, and you should also know the for loop. Now in for loop we should create a simple game object, name it link, and instantiate our links in it. Only we should have to instantiate our link in it. So link prefab in it. In this method we should use this link prefab to instantiate it. Link prefab and transform position, where the position we should give. And now we should create join 2D and name it join, and get the component of link that we have created. This component get the instantiated game object in it, so we can use link dot get component in join 2D. Now we should get the in join 2D. Now we should have to make some we should have connect this join to our body. Now join not connected body equals to RB. This RB is the rigid body that we have got from hook in our public method. Now in it we should use RB equals to link dot get component rigid body 2D in it. Now this is the from this script. We should have to check this it's working or not. Save it and go to our node. Now we should have to create this link as a prefab and duplicate it and name this link hook, and in this hook we should use the simple component to we should check this 0 because we have to sorry for that, we should have to first we should create the link, and after that we should duplicate this and name it hook, and hook. Now we should create a prefab of our link object. Now go to the hook and make the anchor point 0 and make a child of it center of our rope, and click on hook and give it the order of layer of 3. Now you can decrease the size so it can make perfect, and now go to rope and check if script is added on it or not. Now add the script of rope join on our rope, give the references hook and link prefab that we have created, and give the number of links. I should use 6. Delete this, and now we can check if it's working or not. Now you see that it's working, but due to some reason its join, our hook join is from that position. We can fix it by using some of the references in it. Now we have created this. In hook we should give the rigid body 2D in connected rigid body 2D. Now drag and drop the rope in the rigid body 2D of join. Go to hook and drag and drop the rigid body into Hinge join 2D. Now click on play and see it's working or not. Now you see that it's working, but it may be order and layer of this. We should have to click on our yes. Now due to some order of layer, it looks behind the our join. Now click on play and see that it's working or not. Now you see that it's create a rope, and when we use to join our move our hook or any link, it will create the effect of a rope on it. Now the next we should have to move on the we should have to move next script of the rope that is used to weight, that is used to create the weight of our object. Now go to our now get the sprite of ball that we have created and name it ball. Now increase the order of layer to 4. It looks the better. Now add the component of rigid body 2D in it, and increase the mass of 25 and drag 0.1 and angular drag also 0.1. Now save it. Now in ball add the script of ball weight. So now add the script of ball weight. create a new script and add it on the wall. Now double click on it and open it in Visual Studio. We should have to create a simple method to get the ball is moving. Now we should have to remove this and create a public float and name it and distance. That is distance that is used from our join to the ball. Now give it 0.6. You can give any according to your need. Now create a public void method that is used to create the ball weight and effect on the ball. Connected body and a rigid body 2D. Get the reference of a rigid body 2D and get the, give the name of body, any name you can give it. Now get the hinge join, create a variable of hinge join 2D, name it join, and give the reference of game object dot add component hinge join 2D. Now next we should have to give the join dot auto and configuration connected angle equals to false, because we cannot allow it to get configuration join the configuration of hinge join automatically. So now then we join dot connected body dot equal to and body that we have created this body. We should give the join dot connected body equals to this connected body give to the joint, so it can create a joint. Now join dot anchor equals to vector2 dot 0, because we cannot give any specific position to it. We can give the 0 position of our connected body so it can hang behind the our ropes. Now join dot connected anchor dot new equals to new vector2. In this we should give our x component 0 value and y component and distance that we have created this. Now save this and go to the our rope join and get the component of our reference of our ball weight component. Now public ball weight, name it weight. You can give any name as you required. Now go to this and create a statement if I less than a link -1, sorry, -I. In it we should create a simple RB rigid body dot equals to link dot get component rigid body 2D. rigidbody 2D, or you can cut this. You can cut and paste it there. Now in else, we should have to create a simple get the reference of our ball weight. Now name it weight that we have created dot connected body, the method we have created in our ball weight script. Now give to the link dot get component rigid body 2D, and that's all. This way we can go to our script and see if it's working or not. It will give some error. It will maybe it's asked to us to link. Sorry for that, because we have created a link capital L for this. Now that's all. Check that it's working or not. Move this and check the ball. Rope and drag and drop the ball in our rope script. Now click on play. Let's see it's working or not. Now you see that our ball is joined to our rope. If we click on this is, you see that it's working fine. Now second, we should have to create a script of rope cutter. So when we click on the rope, it will be cut and drop down. Now create an empty object, name it rope cutter, and reset its position. Add a component of create a new script of rope cutter. Now create a new script rope cutter and click on create. Now double click on it and open it in mono develop. Go to the update method and simple create a recast 2D, recast it 2D, and create a variable of it and physics, create physics 2D dot recast. In this we should get the camera position, so camera dot main dot screen to world point, and give the input position of our mouse, input dot mouse position, and the z component should be vector 2.0. Now this is the raycast we have created. Now we should give a check if input dot get mouse, sorry for that, get mouse button down, mouse button. We should have to create 0 for left and 1 for right. In it we should check if hit dot collide not equal to null. In it, if the collided component is not equal to null, then we should check the tag hit dot collider dot tag equals to link. We should give the tag in to our link. After that, now destroy the simple hit dot collide dot game object. Now we should have simple create a raycast 2D and get the camera position, and in camera position we should get the mouse position where we click our mouse, and in this we should check if the mouse button down, then we should check that if collide is not equal to null, then we should compare the tag and destroy our row. Now go to the monodwell Unity, and go to our prefab and give a tag. So we should check that we should give a tag of link. Click on save and check that it's working or not. Now hit play and check if it's working or not. Now you see that when I click it's not working. Maybe issue of tag. We should copy this and give the same tag to our link prefab. So the tag is okay. Now you see maybe some you can increase the, sorry for that, we should have also add the component of box collider, so we can detect the and click on is trigger. Sorry for that, we should also add the component of box slider 2D to our link and click on trigger, so we can detect the raycast. Now when I hit the play, you see that when I click on play the rope is down. You can increase the rope limit from 10 or any, you can check it. In this way you can create a simple rope cutter game and make it for this. This is the simple game. If you like this game, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you need any help, you can give a comment. I will give you the answer. In next video we should create the ball collide with our object and make a simple and perfect game for this.